Something big is cooking for Galaxy S25 users, and the camera app is at the center of it. Samsung is gearing up to roll out One UI 8.5 Beta 4, and it's expected to bring a newer Samsung Camera app. If you love mobile photography, this update could be worth the wait. Right now, the One UI 8.5 beta program is live for the Galaxy S25 series, but Beta 4 has been delayed due to some serious bugs. Interestingly, the latest Samsung camera version has already appeared on APKMirror. However, when users tried sideloading it on Beta 3, the installation failed, clearly showing that the app isn't compatible yet. That's a strong hint that Samsung is saving it for Beta 4. Even though the delay is frustrating, Samsung is clearly working behind the scenes. Beta 4 has been pending for nearly 3 weeks, but if no new issues pop up during testing, the update could finally roll out as early as next week. At the same time, Samsung's attention is split between software and hardware. The company is also preparing for the Galaxy S26 series launch on February 25th, and official teasers are already out to build excitement around the upcoming flagship lineup. Behind closed doors, development is moving fast. Two new internal One UI 8.5 builds were spotted on Samsung servers today, confirming active testing and steady progress. Each build version change signals that the rollout is getting closer. If you're part of the beta program, your Galaxy S25 should receive the One UI 8.5 Beta 4 update next week. And with it, the camera app may finally jump from version 16.5.026 to 16.5.02.17, unlocking new improvements and refinements. Don't miss out. If you want the latest Samsung updates before everyone else, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're always first to know what's coming to your Galaxy device.